Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Team Fortress 2 on Xbox Series S. This beloved team-based shooter offers 9 distinct classes and engaging gameplay. While it's a classic, accessing it on modern consoles like the Xbox Series S comes with unique considerations. We'll go through the necessary steps and important details to help you enjoy this iconic title, exploring how to get it running and what to expect from the console experience. Unfortunately, acquiring Team Fortress 2 directly on your Xbox Series S today is challenging. The game was originally released as part of the Orange Box for the Xbox 360 console. While the Series S supports many backward-compatible titles, the Orange Box was delisted from the digital store. Since the Series S lacks a disk drive, purchasing a physical copy isn't an option for this console, making new acquisitions difficult. The only way to play Team Fortress 2 on your Xbox Series S is if you previously purchased the Orange Box digitally on an Xbox 360 or Xbox One. If you did, the game should appear in your Ready-to-Install section under My Games and Apps. Simply select it to download and install. Remember, online multiplayer for this title, like many others, requires an active Xbox Game Pass Core or Ultimate subscription to join matches. If you successfully get Team Fortress 2 running, you'll experience the game as it was in its original 2007 console release. This version provides a nostalgic look at the game's roots, though it doesn't include years of PC updates. For the most current content, community features, and active player base, the PC version remains the definitive experience. If you can't access it on your Series S, many other fantastic team-based shooters are available on the console.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.